Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. As you see, I have my camera. Me and Sienna decided to do a photo shoot day. I was already doing this Barbie styled ponytail, and there's this YouTuber that I love named Tiara Walker, and I just wanted to like basically recreate her look. I didn't do the swoops, I didn't do her ponytail per se. Oh my gosh, why my ponytail looking like I didn't do her ponytail necessarily because I didn't want the swoop in my face because I'm trying to clear my face up, but I did her look. So yes, we are shooting today. We're shooting two different types of styles though. Like Tiana's doing more of like a earthy scene and I'm doing more of like a Barbie girly scene. So you get the, you know, best of both worlds. So make sure you, I'm tired. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share, and stay tuned because we're bringing the heat.
Couldn't see. I'm off the better things. I'm only doing it's gonna make me elevate. Only one people that's gonna make me better. It's so they ask how I get that I'm too busy in this money, can't share. My daddy got me down, I promise I won't let her. So I said that man won't make me better. Me my best will be for enough to get that letter. Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, everybody, I can't trust nobody. I ain't even reach a party, don't invite me to no party. It's so they ask how I get that boys in the boss of my business, I should invoice. And 1 strike 2, I'm self-employed, so my blue brings me more joy. If you wanna play second fiddle to my job, wanna be psyched, in a one-stop shop, let me know. Let me know. Cause I do well for myself, nothing you do is extraordinary. me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.